Some would say that supporting the immune system is more important than ever. Luckily, clinical studies show that the active compounds in Echinacea can help support a healthy immune response. Preclinical studies indicate that the herb encourages natural killer cell activity, your body's first response to previously unknown immune challenges. But when choosing an Echinacea supplement, it's important to look at which species are used and which parts of the plant are incorporated into the formula. Help your customers summon a robust immune system response with Echinacea Elite from Life Extension. Unlike other herbal supplements, Echinacea Elite is formulated using the whole plant to maximize effectiveness, and it takes advantage of extracts of the two most studied Echinacea species for immune support. Both have been shown to help lessen the duration and severity of immune challenges, and your customers will love that it's vegetarian, non-GMO, and gluten-free. So help them rev up their natural defenses with Echinacea Elite from Life Extension.